how to add products to TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can add products to TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the TikTok app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on your profile section, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you have to tap on this icon. Then tap on TikTok Shop. After that, you have to tap on Creators too. Over here, you have to tap on TikTok Shop for creators. Then tap on Product Marketplace. Over here, select the category of the product that you want to use for affiliate marketing. After selecting the category, you will be redirected to this page. Over here, just tap on Add and your products will be added to your showcase. After adding the products of your choice, go back to main page of TikTok Shop for creators. Over here, tap on Manage Products and you will be able to all the products that you have choose. Now click on this icon here and then select any product and tap on Next. Now just make some relevant changes and tap on Generate Video. Then select the video that you liked and post it on TikTok. So that's how you can add products to TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. That's all for this video.